All right, what's going on, guys? It's August 13th, 2021. We're doing our 5th box of Bowman Sapphire. 1 box random team break. Get 3 teams per spot. We're going to roll the dice and pair everyone up for the random. We're only going to re-roll if we get snake eyes. So let's get started. 1 and 2. So we're going to randomize the list 3 times each. I'm going to take you guys to the screen that has the people who joined the break. All right, so it's going to be 10 spots total. So we copied and pasted Eric S, 2, Mike B, Russell D, Ike M, Michael M, or Michael S, and Robert B to finish it off, and then we copied and pasted that 2 more times. So Eric S, 2, Mike B, Russell D, Ike M, 2, Michael S, and Robert B, 3, Eric S, 2, Mike B, Russell D, Ike M, 2, Michael S, and Robert B, 3. So we're going to copy and paste it into random.org and randomize the list 3 times because that's what we got on the dice. Eric S on top and Robert B on bottom. 3 times. 1, 2, third and final time we got Ike M on top and Ike M on bottom. And then we're going to copy and paste the teams as well. Diamondbacks on top and the Nationals on bottom. 3 times. 1, 2, and third and final time. Rockies on top and the A's on bottom. And we're going to sort it. Eric S. With the Nationals, Mariners, Braves, Indians, Phillies, Pirates. Ike M with the Rockies, Orioles, Cubs, Diamondbacks, Dodgers, and A's. Michael S with the Brewers, Giants, and Tigers. Mike B with the Rangers, Padres, and White Sox. And Robert M with the Mets, Yankees, Astros, Royals, Marlins, Reds, Cardinals, Rays, Red Sox, Twins, Angels, and Blue Jays. So I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. If you guys want to make a trade, go right ahead. Otherwise, we're going to get started.
Time and practice.
I'm going to give it about another 30 seconds and then we'll get started. All right, let's get started. 5th box of Bowman Sapphire. Good luck to everyone. That is an empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 packs. Good luck. Got Austin Wells, Helio Ramos, Nick Matten, first Bowman, and a Ryan Vilade base. Oh, we got an orange. Nick Gonzalez, Carson Tucker. Out of 75, Daniel Espino. Number 3 of only 75. Nick Espino. Let me get just realized I thought I had an open pack of top loaders, but I don't. I gotta open it. Daniel Espino. Out of 75, orange. And an Alexander Ramirez first Bowman. All right. Emerson Hancock. Cade Cavalli. Christopher Morel first Bowman. And a Royce Lewis base. Antonio Gomez, first Bowman, Grayson Rodriguez, Alex Manoah, and an Edward Cabrera base. Tyler Callahan, Josiah Gray, Jake Eater, first Bowman auto for the Marlins. And Mario Feliciano. What's good, Mike? How you doing today? Francisco Alvarez, Jordan Walker, Corbin Carroll, and Xavier Edwards base. Bo Naylor, Brennan Davis, Louis Garcia, and a Bryce Jarvis. Can we at least squeeze out one more parallel? Don't think so. Tristan Casas, Nick Allen, Alex Thomas, and a CJ at Abrams. All right, and that's going to do it for our 5th box of Bowman Sapphire. Appreciate everyone who joined. Congrats to everyone who hit. Hopefully you guys have a good rest of your day. We'll get these packaged up and shipped out. You guys have a good one.